Hi, I'm Sean Fontaine,
And I'm Roberta Fontaine.
and we're coming to you from the beautiful and expensive sunny California. And just wanted to kind of give a brief introduction to who we are and also about our experience working with Dustin. And I have to be honest with you, I was skeptic. I was not on board at first. But with the support of my wife and then her strong convincing, I talked to Dustin. We had an initial introduction call with him, and then later on, my wife convinced me to get involved with the
The course first?
Yeah, the courses.
Yeah.
Yes. And then after
Little by little.
little by little. Yeah, and then after the courses, I was like, okay, I think we can do this. Again, I was skeptic, especially investing out of state.
Yeah.
I was a little scared and stuff, and I let my fears take over. So, with going through the courses, and then I was like, okay, let's get some one-on-one coaching with Dustin, and that really kind of set my mind at ease. And then
we went to RubeCon.
RubeCon, yeah, and that's when
Yes.
we became true converts.
Yeah. Well, he did. I
Yeah.
was already sold out.
I was sold out after RubeCon, yeah, and then after that, we shortly after that, we got our first property,
Yep.
and now we're working on our second one, and possibly might even get a third one by the end of the year. So that would
Yeah.
be 3 properties in 1 year. So it was just an eye-opening experience just working with Dustin. He helped us tremendously. He helped us overcome our fears.
And also saved a lot of time
Time
and
and money
money and headache.
Because he already paved the way. He made those mistakes, those rookie mistakes and he saved us from doing that. So we
Yep.
learned a lot from him, and it's just been a blessing working with him. And
highly recommend if you're skeptical as well, like Sean was. And we cannot recommend it.
and just like anything that's
Yeah.
brand new, it seems like very big, and it's like, oh, we can't do this because because we didn't know anything. But being taught, now the fears are gone, and it's fairly it's simple. You just need to know how the system works, and it's basically, and if I can do it, anybody can do it.
That's right. And that's what we have to say about MPI, the course, the Coaching 101. We highly recommend it.
Yeah, and we're looking forward to RubeCon 2023.
That's right.
It's going to be awesome. Thanks again.
All right. Thanks,
Take care.
Dustin.
Bye.